Hey, it's Baken here. Gonna haul away some building scraps I inherited from my old man. Loaded up this 3.5-ton truck pretty good. Wanna guess how much this is gonna cost me? It's 25 yen per kilo. We're looking at 660 kilos here. So with all the fees, it came out to 18,480 yen. This is the third load of trash I've taken today. Here are the receipts from the 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 2 p.m. runs. Total cost 70,895 yen. I had a company start clearing this land, but they bailed on me, so now I'm stuck finishing it myself. I've been wrestling with this big PVC pipe for a while now, trying to break it with the excavator, cutting it with a grinder, doing everything I can as a DIYer. For a bit, I'll just show you the work with some music and captions. We don't have an excavator with a grabber attachment. This pile of junk is just too heavy to move by hand. So I'm using a standard bucket on the excavator, digging through it little by little. That's my wife back there, working away. She just sees what needs doing and gets right to it. No slacking. Really appreciate it. Seriously, I'm grateful. This truck bed is just pure wood chips. I'm being super careful to separate everything because they charge extra if there's any metal mixed in. Alright, I gotta confess something. Just a little bit of metal snuck into the mix. Hopefully nobody notices. Is this the kind of thing I'm not supposed to say on YouTube? So far, no calls about extra charges. Let's keep this on the down low. I figured I could squeeze a little more in, so I moved it and piled it higher. Gonna haul this off now. Truth is, I'm a bit of a scaredy cat. Usually my wife comes with me for stuff like this, but I'm trying to be brave and do this one solo. This is what the dump looks like. This is the big leagues. Never really been around anything like this before, so I was pretty nervous at first, honestly. But I'm starting to get the hang of the vibe here, you know? Still, I'm kinda useless without my wife. Just made a pretty big goof here. Lifted the dump bed, but the wood chips wouldn't come out. Forgot to release the lever that locks the back gate. Rookie mistake. Usually someone would be around to help, but of course, this time there's nobody else in sight. I totally panicked. Managed to kind of force it out, just a little short of where I was supposed to dump it. Tried to play it cool, but I was sweating bullets. Alright, back at it here on the property. Next up, we're loading these massive PVC pikes. My bad guys, I messed up the filming. By the time I hit record, we were pretty much done loading them. Just keeping it real, you know? It's a little rough around the edges. When I first inherited this land, I was completely lost on what to do with these huge pikes. It was overwhelming, but finally we're at the point where we can get rid of them. So how much is it gonna cost to haul all this stuff away? The surprising answer is coming up in the next video. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Stick around and hit that subscribe button, alright?